Hey guys, it's Jamie here again. My indicator, the binary destroyer. Today is the 16th of January. It's a Tuesday and I want to do some live trading for you, just show you how the binary destroyer works. Now, I don't know if you've seen my previous videos, but we've been talking a lot about Ben's strategy. Ben's strategy is a strategy that one of the VIP members came up with, and to be honest, a lot of people have been having success with it. It's very easy to use and get the hang of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tweak it a bit. I'm going to try and trade it with the binary destroyer rules as well. So I'll just show you quickly Ben's strategy when my computer decides it's going to unfreeze. There we go. So Ben's strategy is basically we've got the buy and sell zones and we have changed a couple of settings in there, and instead we now have one big moving average. And we can see the way it is pretty simple. We take trades every time the price is above the buy and sell zone or below the buy and sell zone. So we can see here a nice cool trade here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would have just won it. Again, here we can see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, that was a nice winner. And now we can see we're now above the moving average, so we take sell trades. So we can see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you know, that would have been a nice winner. See if I can find you any more. No, I don't like their prices hovering around the middle there. You could count this one all the way down here. That would have been a win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is a moving average. It will move with the price, so it doesn't give you, if you look back in time, it won't give you an accurate reading. But I'm going to trade this with the binary destroyer rules, and hopefully I've got what, 10, I don't know if you can see this, I've got 10,000 of demo money in my IQ options account, so hopefully we can get that to maybe 100,000 today. So I'm looking for some trades. Okay, I can see a lot of you guys that aren't in the VIP group won't know this, but this week we had a webinar and we were talking about resistance levels, support levels, spotting price action in the candlesticks, you know, and candlestick patterns as well. And we can see here a nice resistance area. Okay, let me get my little shape here. We can see a nice resistance area. If I zoom in, you can see how the price came up to that resistance area, bounced off it, pulled back up to it, pulled back, and then now we have another pullback to this level. So we are now at that level, but you can see it's not broken it. You know, price has pushed up to it, bounced off it, tried to break it again, failed, and now it's trying to push up to that zone again. If we get another signal arrow down, I might take that trade. Euro USD is in a massive uptrend. You can see that massive uptrend here. This here would be a nice signal here. You notice how the price comes into the buy zone here, oversold on the RSI, and we actually had two double arrows there, two green double arrows there, confirming to me it's a very powerful signal. You can see signal arrow appeared, you know, and it just shot up. So that for me there would have been a nice signal there. Just using a bit of price action, you can, if I was to draw my box area again, you guys that aren't in the VIP group won't know this, but you can see resistance, support now, support, bounce, you know, two double arrows confirming uptrend, oversold on the RSI, bang, signal has appeared, wins. You could take a 5-minute trade there, 15-minute trade there, 30-minute trade there, even an hour if you wanted to, and you would have won that one. Again, can you see how we're rejecting it from this area here? Price comes up, rejects. Price comes back up, rejects. Price comes back up, rejects. So for you guys in the VR, you can see here, look, you see another support line? See that? Hold on, let me just get that there, see? Zoom in. See? Price bounces off it, pulls back, and now we are at that zone again. So if we get a signal, I mean this would be a very good signal actually. If I get a signal here, going up, that is to me a very good signal, because look at the RSI, oversold. We're in the buy zone perfectly. We're not touching it, we're in that buy zone. So that price needs to, if I get a green signal arrow going up, I'll take that up. And if I get a red signal arrow here, I'll take that down. We've got a signal arrow there. You might have lost that one. Yeah, you would have lost that one. But look, now we're rejecting off it again. Now look, now we've got a call sign now. Now I'm going to take two trades now. What's this? USD Chef. This is a top tip, okay? Look at Euro USD. Euro USD is going down. Can you see that big red candle going down? But USD goes up. A USD Chef goes up. So Euro USD goes down, USD Chef goes up. So for me, I can take two trades right now. So I'm going to take USD Chef up. Let's just put 5,000 on. We've got 9 minutes, so I'm going to take USD Chef down. And we will take that down. So I've got two trades on. USD Chef up, Euro USD down. We can see a nice bit of price action there. Big engulfing green candle. Now I will take another trade when a signal arrow appears, just to show you guys the power of the signal. What's our AUD trade? Look again, AUD is dropping at that level there. Look at that big red engulfing candle. There should be, look again, can you see a nice bit of resistance here? It's almost like the binary destroyer knows this. Not a perfect resistance area, but we can see we've got some resistance at that area before. Let me zoom in. Can you see? Price comes down, resists from there, then it kind of gets stuck, breaks that resistance, and then we had a kind of rejection there before breaking it and coming back down, and now we are at that level again, and you can see it is rejecting from that zone again. Like I said, I got in before a signal arrow, but we'll wait for a signal arrow and I'll get into another trade. What I'll do is I'll pause the video and I'll come back in 8 minutes, because this video could go on for quite a while. So I'll pause it and I'll come back. Actually, AUD just gave me a signal down. I'm getting into a trade there. I haven't got no money. Let's just took another 10,000 in. AUD USD. Lost. Let me just. Right, let's go for 7 minutes. Down. Then. So we now got 3 trades on. Pretty simple. Okay, we've got another red signal rejecting from that zone. Can you see that? We are rejecting heavily from that resistance area, big time. It's not breaking it. What's the RSI saying? RSI is going down. Depends what this red candle, what this candle, this. What's USD Chef saying? USD Chef's going up. Okay, I'm happy with that. USD Chef is going up. So So USD Chef is going up, Euro USD will go down, AUD is going down now. We're good, we are good. So yeah, I'll pause the video and I'll come back in 6 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back and it has been, I've got 3 minutes to go, but look at that signal hour drop there, look at it, big drop there. This is going down. Look at it, I could have got into a quick trade in there. That's going down, that's nice. What's Euro USD saying? Euro USD is fighting at the minute. What's that saying? Euro USD is going up. AUD. Well, AUD, USD Chef's going up. So that means Euro USD must be going down. Oh no, I've got a signal out USD. Look, just to show you guys, okay, the power of this signal, I'll get in again with USD Chef. I haven't got any money again. Right, we will take a quick 5-minute trade in. There. Okay, 5-minute trade at that resistance level. Signal hours appeared. The RSI is already starting to go up, so this should rise. All of us are greens at the minute. We're going up. And Euro USD is dropping. AUD's gone back up. Oh, this is fighting, this trade here. Euro USD is fighting. Now it's gone back up. USD Chef. I should have took a longer trade here. A longer trade. These two, USD Chef's rising. Oh, that's going down. I can agree on that. Euro USD is still rejecting from that zone. My USD Chef's going up. No point checking the 5-minute. I know where that's going to be. Yeah, exactly. Oh god, this is going to be close. Right, we're laughing now. So AUD is rising, Euro USD is dropping. Come on. Come on, just drop a bit more. Drop, 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 drop. Come on. Come on. Right, that's 2-1. That's 2-1 at the minute. We've got 2-1. USD Chef needs to keep rising. Look, look at Euro USD, it's dropping again. Right. I'm going to take another. I'm that confident Euro USD is going to drop. I'm going to get into another trade. I'm going to put 26,000 on. What do you mean it's occurred? Why can't you put on that much? Oh no, I need to get into it now. In. So USD Chef, I'm going to write this down. We are currently at 2-1. So we are at 2 wins, 1 loss. 3 wins now because USD Chef's going to win as well. And like I said, watch this. You see how USD Chef goes up, Euro USD goes down. So that will so far leave me 3 wins, 1 loss. Should have got in. I got in this trade well late on Euro USD. I should have got in up here. We've got a signal arrow appearing. That's good. See what I mean about the resistance area? This is a nice trade to get into. A very nice trade. I'm going to get into this trade again. See how it's dropping. Well, I'm already in 2 more trades. But USD Chef, look at it rise. And this is what I'm saying, guys, about in the VIP group, about always look for rejection areas and wait for the price to rebounce off it again. If the price is rejected off it, okay, you know it's likely to reject from it again. You know that it's done it before, it might do it again. Okay, you can't guarantee it because it's trading, but it's a higher probability, of winning a trade, and that's what you want, a higher probability of winning. And you can see USD Chef goes up, Euro USD goes down. So we are nicely in the money there. Any other trades? USD Chef is again, USD Chef's AUD USD is going sideways. Big time. Look at that sort of support area there. It's in a range, in a very tight range. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, Euro USD CAD looks like a nice setup here. See that resistance area, little resistance there. Have I got one? How's that looking? It's not really a resistance area, but it is rejected off it. See how it's come up, bounced off it a number of times. This candle should drop to that level. I like this trade actually. I'm going to jump into a USD CAD trade. Caught that nicely. Reason being, okay, using a bit of price action, can you see how the RSI, a lot of you guys in the VIP group, I mean who are watching this on YouTube, I do teach you all this in the VIP group. That's what we do. We teach people this sort of stuff, training videos, webinars. So it's good to show you what I'm doing. For the guys in the VIP group, can you see our diversions in the RSI? Can you see that RSI is going down, but the price is going up? That there is like a window into the future that price is going to drop. It didn't, completely went against me, it went up. What I'll do is I'll pause the video and I'll come back in 9 minutes, and hopefully we can have 2 more winners. So you can see it dropping again. I'll pause the video and I'll come back. Hey guys, I'm back, and both of them trades are in the money. What's worrying me at the minute is USD Chef, because you can see how it nicely rejected from that sell zone, well, from that, yeah, the support area. Nice trade, like I said, nice trade. This is why I took that 5-minute trade originally, but the price is dropping now, okay, which kind of tells me one thing: if USD Chef's dropping, Euro USD is rising. Hopefully it doesn't rise enough before 4 minutes and we can end this trade. USD CAD again, USD CAD, beautiful trade, look at it. And this is what I like to teach everybody in the VIP group. You see how we are now got diversions on the RSI. RSI is dropping, signal arrow is now appearing. This should drop. Yeah, we're dropping again. We're good. AUD USD. Look at it. It's just going sideways in a range. Not very good. That must mean, if you were to look at the higher time frames, look at that. I always recommend, yeah, look at trading the binary destroyer on the daily time frame. Look at some of these signals. Look at that. Bang. Nice. Again, you could count that one. That one might have been a loss. Well, depends really. If you left that trade running for 1, 2, 4 days, you would have won. You definitely would have won that trade. I mean, you could have took that trade all the way down there. Let's look at this trade, right? Look at this one here for simple. You took this, okay, trade. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So for 3 weeks, 3 weeks you'd be in this trade and it'd just be making you profit all the time. And again here, you know, that there is 53 candles. So that there's over a month in this trade. But that would have been some serious amount of pips. 362 pips. And then this one back up would have done 427. So it's about 800 pips. But we are trading a 1 minute time frame. Okay, we've got 2 minutes to go. USD CAD is dropping. Well, I think I've won this. What's this? This will be 5-0, 5-1. I might leave it at that because I've been sitting here for the past, well, 23 minutes, but the video's been going on for about an hour. Uh-oh, USD Chef dropping. I'll pause the video and I'll come back in 1 minute. Alright, 30 seconds to go, and you can see both of these trades are dropping nicely in the money. Nice trades. That will be 5-1. Yeah, 5-1, look at it. This is what I say, okay, using a bit of just market knowledge, a bit of support and resistance, okay. Signal arrow appears, drops, okay. I like to teach people this, okay, and I think this is key. You know, you don't need to learn Fibonacci levels, you don't need to learn pivot points, you don't need to learn harmonic patterns, just a bit of support and resistance, you know, and we can see at this resistance line, signal arrows appears, drops. Again, resistance there, support area, signal arrow appears, drops. Look, pull back with this trade. 66,000. So we're now at, you can't see my account balance. There it is there, 66. So I've done 10 grand to 66. Let me see if I can find one more trade. I don't like USD CAD. It's clearly an uptrend. That's going into an uptrend. It is dropping. USD, don't like USD Chef at the minute. Don't like AUD. Don't like Euro USD. USD Chef's dropped. Do I wait for a trade? No, I'm going to leave that there. So as you can see, that is 5-1. Well, 5-1. Yeah. I'll leave it there. If you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. I just want to show you, we currently have we've currently been testing the EA today. It's the first day that a lot of guys have been using it, and do you know what? I think pretty much everyone made profit. It's been absolutely incredible, to be honest with EA. I just want to show you the results now. When my computer loads. Let me get rid of my let me get rid of IQ options. What I'll do is 1 minute. But yeah, back, you can see here, I shared it in the group earlier. TAD is just warming up. PS, everyone who's messaged me. And if we go into the EA testers, you'll see some of the results that people are sharing with the EA. Some nice profits there. Well, this guy's gone live with £100. He's made £1 already. Some more. Try and find you some more. And we can see some more here. Nice £17 made. And then obviously we have got some from as well. I believe nice, so both you and Mark have seen some profits then. So you can see first day testing the EA, it's been incredible. Hopefully I can bring you some more. The next time you'll see me a video will be on Friday, when I'm rounding the week off and just showing you some results this week. So I'll leave it at that. Just have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.